Achieving healthy, glowing skin is possible with the right routine. Here are 20 expert tips to guide you towards your best complexion. Stay with me till the end, because the last few tips could completely transform your skincare game. 1. Always cleanse your face twice daily. This removes dirt and oil buildup. 2. Use a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. Harsh products can cause irritation. 3. Exfoliate regularly, but not excessively. Once or twice a week is usually sufficient. 4. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every morning. Protect your skin from UV damage. Reapply sunscreen throughout the day, especially if outdoors. 5. Don't smoke. It speeds up skin aging by drying out your skin. Smoking also worsens some skin diseases like psoriasis. 6. Moisturize daily, even if you have oily skin. Moisturize your skin to lock in hydration and give off a glowing appearance. Choose a moisturizer appropriate for your skin type. 7. Incorporate a vitamin C serum into your morning routine. It brightens and protects. 8. Use a retinoid product in the evening. This helps with cell turnover and collagen. 9. Don't forget to moisturize your neck and chest. These areas show signs of aging before other areas of the body. 10. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Dehydration makes skin look dull and tired. Skin health starts from within. 11. Get enough quality sleep each night. Your skin repairs itself while you rest. 12. Clean your makeup brushes regularly. They can harbor bacteria. 13. Avoid touching your face throughout the day. This prevents transferring germs. 14. Don't pick at blemishes. This can lead to scarring. 15. Eat a balanced diet rich in antioxidants. Nourish your skin from the inside. 16. Manage stress levels. Stress can negatively impact your skin. 17. Change pillowcases often. They absorb oils and product buildup, so switch them 1 to 2 times per week. 18. Exercise. When you exercise, you improve your blood flow to regenerate your skin cells. Face yoga and breathing exercises can improve skin health and boost radiance. 19. Patch test new products before applying them widely. Check for reactions. 20. Be patient and consistent. Give new products time to show results. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick with your routine for long-term results. Consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. They can address specific concerns. Please like, subscribe, and let's chase greatness together.